So as part of previous class, we have discussed about disk related commands, memory related commands. Along with memory related, we also discussed about core related, I mean CPU related ones. And we also, these are the three major areas we have discussed. The couple of commands are, so when it comes with memory related, we have a free hyphen h where it is human readable. So as part of human readable, we can able to view the information. So what is the memory, like how much memory is allocated, used, free, all those details. So I mean, how do we determine whether the memory is fully occupied? If the free is 1.5 GB and total is 1.0 GB, which means that the utilization is very minimal. Whereas if the if allocated is 1.8 GB and if it is allocated almost 1.7 GB, which means it is 100% occupied. And swap means the amount of disk space we are converting it as a memory. So when actual memory is full, system will try to push a few of the inactive processes or long running processes from main memory to swap memory. Once the actual memory got free up, sometimes it will be roll it back or sometimes it will be continued. So what is a file which contains information about memory proc mem info. This is the file which contains the memory information. If you go with free hyphen h command, the free hyphen h command will reads this file and displays the output. It displays output and then so we are also having a correlated one is uptime, one of the very important command we need to remember, like where it displays the output of three fields. One is load average, load average of now, previous, and 5 minutes and before 5 minutes, and how long the system is up and running, how many users are connected. And the alternative of this command is cat proc cpu info, cat proc cpu info. This is a command will display the cpu statistics or lscpu. Lscpu is a command. With help of lscpu we can able to get the so list of core cpus and cpu family model, all those details we'll get it. So lscpu hyphen hyphen help if there are any options. So hyphen a means all, offline, extended. So if you go with hyphen e, it will try to show the output of extended. So extended means like how much is CPUs, all those details. And even S means sysroot, use the specified directory, all those details we can able to display. So here core, CPU, those details we can able to get it. And so if you want to get the disk space utilization, df-h. If you want to see the inside the disk space utilization of each file system, then go to that here, du star. Whereas in du command, I mean if you execute du star, it will try to display the utilization of each and every folder from that directory to the all the directories. But Unix starts with a root file system that is called forward slash. So we got all the details. So if you want to get the details of current file system, I mean under the file system at a high level, so H means humanable and C means cumulative. If you go with CH star, it will clearly says that at one level and current utilization, how if it is a folder, total folder utilization. If it is a file, that file utilization, it will clearly shows us. It clearly shows us. And we're also having a we're also having ls blk. So ls blk. So this will also shows the list of blocks. So how many devices are there, and what is the size of each device, and along with each design, along with each device, we can also we can also see the those details. So SDA1, SDA2. So this is a main disk level total. So for example, ls, if you go with DEV, so LF ls DEV will come, you will see that total. So it will be how many are having SDA. So I mean SDA to SDA Z. So it will be having. So later also each disk will be associated to, whenever you are trying to add a new disk, it has to attach to one of the SDA. So SDA means storage device number A, storage device B, like that. If it is having SDBC or null, it is a different disks we have attached it. So, okay, then the one more thing is cat etc fs okay, tab, file system okay, tab. This is one of the very, very important where you want to control the each okay, device or okay, each disk, like what is the where it is file system name mounted and type of file system, the permissions. So here it will be controlled. For example, if you're unable to write anything on a disk, so if you're having some disk issues, we need to come to okay, this etc fs tab, and we need to see that this is the field we need to be look what exactly this field is having. Default means ro rw, majority of operations we can able to perform. That is the main intent of this etc fs okay, tab. So along with the etc fs tab, so okay, we're also having a okay, dmesg. Dmesg is a command. So with help of dmesg command, we can able to get the okay, I mean all the system related information, dmesg, disk related, all those informations we can able to okay, get by using dmesg. So okay, dmesg hyphen hyphen okay, help. So the dmesg command, what it does means, it's one of the very, very important command. So as part of okay, troubleshooting, okay, in case of any system related issues and all, so we use this okay, dmesg command. So the dmesg command, what are the options we are having? So it's mainly for the system related. It's mainly for the okay, system related okay, information okay, where we can able to okay, get it. So okay, I mean we are also having different options. Hyphen C, clear the kernel ring buffer. So if you're having any kernel ring buffer, so is used to mainly display the kernel okay, ring buffer. So the main intent of okay, dmesg command is, so we know about okay, four layers of okay, I mean five layers of Unix operating system, right? You, okay, then applications, users and tools, shell, kernel, and hardware. So if you want to get the details of a kernel, so how the kernel is okay, behaving, what are the issues on kernel, and all those details okay, we can able to get by using this so kernel. So dmesg command is used to display the kernel ring buffer, which contains the message from the kernel, including like mainly it mainly contains the information of okay, device drivers and okay, even hardware detections. For example, either disk or okay, if you're having any use USBs, all those details, and even boot okay, system boot messages, and even errors and okay, warnings related to memory and IO issues. All those details okay, it will clearly okay, shows us. So when it comes with okay, dmesg command, so the dmesg command is okay, dmesg. So this command is mainly used for troubleshooting. Okay, troubleshooting okay, related to kernels. So what is the main okay, intent of okay, this functionality? So if you execute the dmesg command at a high level, so by default okay, it displays the, so by default okay, it displays okay, by default okay, it displays okay,
Child.
device okay, device drivers, okay, device okay, drivers okay, loading and okay, unloading. For example, whenever you are trying to execute any devices, so as part of okay, boot up, you will get this information: device drivers, loading and unloading. And okay, at the same time, so it will also shows that okay, it also shows the okay, hardware okay, detections. So, okay, if there are any hardware related issues, for example, so okay, I mean we do have a hardware side, okay, disks, and okay, along with okay, disk, okay, USB, and okay, even okay, even okay, DIMMs, dual inline memory modules, all the hardware related information it clearly okay shows are there any errors and all. And okay, even boot messages. What is the meaning of boot messages? Whenever you are trying to start a system, so this dmesg command is very, very helpful. So assume that okay, when you are working on okay, real time, so when you are working on okay, real time, so if you are having okay, some startup okay, issues, you are unable to start your system. During that time, we execute this okay, dmesg command, because dmesg command clearly shows us what kind of information is okay, going on okay, system while boot up. Those details okay, clearly okay, shows us boot messages and okay, even okay, errors. Okay, can you go on mute, please? Errors and okay, warnings. Okay, related to memory. Okay, related to, so okay, memory. Okay, and okay, and okay, even input and output. All those details okay, clearly okay, shows all those details. It clearly okay, shows this. So that is the okay, main intent of okay, this dmesg command, dmessage command. So descript, I mean all the I mean all the hard disk related information it clearly okay, shows us. It clearly okay, shows us. So the options of okay dmesg commands are, so if you use the okay, if you use okay hyphen capital C, if there are any information related to kernel related, it clears the kernel ring buffer. So ring buffer is a one utility. If you want to clear the ring buffer, then okay hyphen C. So if you want to okay, display the okay, output in okay human readable format, so okay hyphen H. Hyphen H means okay human readable okay format. So for example, if you execute okay, dmesg hyphen H also, it will clearly shows us. Or simply what we do is we'll execute dmesg command. So okay, dmesg means whatever the, I mean now we have cleared everything at hyphen C, right? So in future, whenever all the related informations of system, it clearly shows us. For example, if you run this okay, dmesg command, so it clearly shows that. So okay, for example, here we ran this okay dmesg command, right? So okay, where we run, so okay, here dmesg. So clearly showing that CG group, initiating the CG group, and like initiating that okay every minute information bias, so which is disabled, all those details it clearly okay shows. That's why dmesg is very helpful as part of system related troubleshooting okay, issues. If you are having any disk related issues, we can able to get by using dmesg. Or if you're having okay memory related issues, that we can able to get by using dmesg command. So okay, it will clearly contains all those okay details. So along with okay dmesg command, we are also having okay one more okay. I'm going to show you very important files today. So before going to that, if you're having any doubts, let me know. So, okay, I mean, any doubts on, okay, any doubts on yesterday's class or okay, until whatever you have discussed? I just, okay, revision whatever, okay, we have discussed it on, okay, last class except dmesg command. So, dmesg command is one of the powerful command where we use it for, where we use it to debug the system related information. We go with, okay, dmesg, just dmesg. So, device messages. So, we call it as, okay, I mean, all the system related information we will get by using dmesg. So one more important files I'm going to show you. So okay, important files I'm going to show you under var log. So we have discussed about the majority of the files on etc under the proc, right? Now we are going to discuss about var log. What is a var log? So as you know that variable loggings information. So under the var log, we'll be having, so okay, we'll be having okay few important files. We'll be having a few important files which is messages, and we're also having a cron. We're also having a secure, and we're also having a mail log. So why do we require okay these files? How it is going to okay help these files? So when it comes with okay these messages, a messages is a okay even dmessage okay even okay the dmessage command also read the input from okay I think this from these files only. So what this okay messages command does is okay the messages file, so under the var log, so consider okay you started your system okay at what time you have started your system. How do we know that when you started the system? We have started our system at 8:56. So from 8:56, the moment when you press a power button, each and okay, every minute information that you are performing on a system will logs into this messages file. So for example, okay, if you're having a, if you attach a CC camera, CC camera to your okay home, or if it is under the street light, what it does, whatever the activities are okay going, whatever the activities are happening surrounding to that okay premises, it will capture it and it saves in disk, right? Similarly, so if you are having any okay, I mean every information, what time the system is rebooted, okay, okay, when the user is connected, when the user is log off, what commands is performing, or any system related information, every information will show on okay messages is the very important file, so which will contains the okay, details of okay, which will contains the okay, details of okay, let me show you that. So what kind of information okay this guy contains. So if you go with okay cat messages, so okay today May 12th. So May 12th okay we have started I mean May 9th the last operation. So May 9th, right? So May 9th. So okay what is the last operation? We have received a exiting on signal 15. So okay I mean okay it has okay stop. Now on okay May 12th at 8:57, so we have received a okay we have received a start symbol. We have received a start signal. So okay we have received okay start signal. So as part of that okay at what time it has started? May 9th. So R system log D. Then after that, what all operation it has performed, initiating the CG groups. So initiating the CG groups, even dmesg command also, you have seen the same information. And okay, every information. So every information you are able to, okay, you can able to see it and okay here. For example, now let me okay try to, so let me open a duplicate session. Now I'm going to log in with okay RAM account. So even the RAM account okay details also okay shows by okay I will show you all these commands later part. So all those details okay all those details it clearly okay shows about okay so shows about okay I mean every information. See when I run that okay RAM, so May 12th, so what is the time now? So the time is 9:17. So at 9:17, so the user okay RAM is connected, the user RAM is okay connected. Now I'm trying to so exit. So I have exited it. Now okay go ahead and okay run the say I will don't worry about all these commands. I will show you later. Okay, I will show you later. So now so remove that okay slice and okay remove session 4. Okay remove session starting and okay ending the sessions. All those details will clearly okay shows. All the okay details clearly okay shows. So which means that at what user is connecting and every minute information related to the system. So if the system is having any issues related to the disk, memory, so whatever the system related activities at high level, every information stores under stores on messages file. The messages file or the messages file is very important as part of troubleshooting purpose, as part of system troubleshoot related okay issues. And along with that, we're also having a secure. We're also having a secure. What secure okay does? The secure okay does is so okay the secure does is even the security related information can show okay security related information also shows by okay also okay shows by okay shows by sorry can you go on mute please.
వద్దురా
Hello please
వద్దంట
please. Okay. So here, so with help of okay, see if you see this one messages. So the message okay message okay even if you execute this okay secure okay file. So under the varlog we're having a messages and secure and cron. There are okay multiple files okay under okay all these are the system related files. So if you go with okay if you use this okay secure messages now okay at 8:57 session opened by the user root and accepted the password for me okay RAM and okay even session closed for the user called RAM, which means that so which users okay connected, which users logged out, all those information contains by the okay secure file, because secure is I mean you are going to enter username and password, right? So the username and password is a security information, so authentication. So in order to segregate system related informations and okay login related information, we are having a different files. So messages is for okay startup and other related information. And okay this guy secure is mainly for okay which person is logged on, which person is log out, what operation. So those kind of details are contains by okay contains by this okay secure, contains by this okay secure. And we're also having a okay few more files, so which is okay message okay which is okay secure. And all those details last log and all. So the last log means with help of all these are the okay even dmesg command also, even we're also having a dmesg. So all the system related okay log files okay in system okay, related to the Linux systems logs under varlog. That's why varlog is the one of the very important crucial folder at Linux system to troubleshoot any kind of okay issues except application related. The application related also if the application related all information also can capture by varlog messages under varlog. But okay the major system related information we can get it by using okay from here. So okay this is about the so okay varlog under the varlog messages and okay secure. So messages and okay messages okay secure dmesg. And okay along with that okay we're also having a last log, so and even cron. So these are the cron, about the cron we'll discuss later. So the last log, all these details. And okay, even we're also having a command called okay last. So with help of a last command, what we can do is, so with help of last command, we can able to get the list of users who are connected and what time they have connected and what time they have okay terminated. All those details will also clearly show by the last command. So last is also one of the so important okay command. So with help of okay last, so we can able to okay we can able to get the details of we can able to get the details of so okay details about okay users who okay at what time they have connected. So if you take this okay May 6th is the first time okay reboot, and okay May 6 9:54 the user is connected, and okay even okay root and okay reboot, all those okay for today also May 12th. So this is the time okay we have system rebooted, then the user root is connected and the user root is connected and okay ram is also connected what time. So he has connected okay this time and he terminated, so connected and still. For example, if we take the last week, so 8:58, so we connected at 8:58, we log off at okay 10:15, duration is how much, 1 hour 19 minutes. So that information also we can able to get by using the last command. For example, in future, so if you want to investigate how many users are connected okay this system and okay how long they are staying on a system, those details okay we can able to get by using this okay last command. So last is also one of the very important command to know okay which users connected and which users logged out. So for example, okay, even for example, if you want to know that okay, how many numbers, so hyphen and 20. So 20 details okay, it clearly okay shows. For example, if you want to display 100, so last 100 details okay, it clearly okay shows us. That's why we are having an option called okay hyphen n. So hyphen n means to get to get okay details. So for example, okay, if you go with okay hyphen okay help, so last hyphen n number of okay, how many numbers you required. So for example, if you want to display the time duration also, we can get it. So and username, all those details it clearly okay shows. But simply we always okay for dmesg last, we don't okay use okay any options. Simply we run those commands. Okay, simply we run okay those commands. Okay, to get the okay details. So any doubts on okay here? So my humble request is whenever you connect, go on mute. So if you are not going on mute, so it will disturb, okay, it will disturb, okay, for others as well. So let me know if you're having any, okay, doubts on, okay, today's class. I mean, whatever the last command, system related information, if you're having any doubts, let me know. So is it clear?
W కమాండ్ కూడా ఇట్లానే మొత్తం సిస్టమ్ యూజర్స్ ని కనెక్ట్
See,
చేసి
W
చూపిస్తుంది
and
కదన్నా.
WHO command displays the list of active users who are connected. So only the list of users who are
ఓకే
connected. So if you go with the last command, it will show you the by default 20 or some iterations it will show. So even the okay even the historical information of okay historical information of users who connected and who logged out, those information shows by the last command. So okay, did you get the differences now?
ఎస్ ఓకే ఐ గాట్ ఇట్.
Yeah. So even last command also clearly shows that how much time this guy spent, how much time this guy is, for example, if you take, so 54 minutes, and even duration also it clearly okay, shows us. Okay.
ఓకే అన్న.
Yeah. Now what we'll do is we are going to okay discuss about now actual commands. So now okay I have already executed multiple times this command. Now we are going to okay discuss about a command called ls. So ls is a very simple. The name itself, the name of the command is very simple with two letters only. So okay, naam chota, but okay, the activities are okay more with okay this okay this command. So if you go with okay ls command, so ls means list. The name itself okay list. So what this ls command does is with the help of ls command, as you know that in Unix okay in Unix we are having a different types of the files. Okay, we are going to discuss about this ls only, it will take entire day today. So with help of this ls command, by default we can able to get a list of files or directories available in current from a folder. So by default ls command, it shows, it shows, it shows, list of files. So list of file, list of content, content content available. So available from current direct, from current, current or specified directory, from current or specified, specified directory, current or specified directory. The syntax of ls is, the syntax of ls is, so every command you should know about the syntax, you should know about the syntax. The syntax of ls is just ls, or so ls options, ls options, ls options. So as I told multiple times, every command with by default, if you are not passing any commands, it will show the default output. If you are passing an option, according to the option what you are passing, the output will display it on screen. So by default, what is the important ls? Ls means list. It shows the list of content available from current or specified directory. So the simple syntax is ls. If you are not passing anything, so for for majority of the commands, it will try to consider, so it will try to consider the current directory, it will try to consider the current directory. So if you go with ls, it will show the details of current folder wherever you located that folder, in the from the current folder, what are all the files are available, and are direct whichever the directory. For example, if we go with windows, so if you go with windows in a current file system, if you go with here, so it's it's showing the details of all this one, right? So the downloads, all those details, it's clearly shows us. So that is that intent of by default, if you click on unix, if you go to any folder, by default of which whatever the files or directories are available in the current folder, it shows same behavior on here. Whereas if you are trying to pass a file system, for example, if you are trying to pass it as /temp, so whatever the files are available on temp, it clearly shows. If you go with ls from root, or device, under the device, so bin, whatever the files are under in a bin, it clearly shows us. So which means that with the help of ls command, we can able to get a list of files or directories which are available in current directory or from a specified directory. So that is the straightforward that is the straightforward option. But in ls command, you need to learn about a lot of options which are available. So the first options on ls command is, -l. So -l means long list format, long list format, long list format. So by long list format. So default default default. So by long list format. So let me discuss about this ls hyphen. So if you run with ls, we'll get one type of output. If you go with -l, we are trying to get the output on long list format. So total, so under this how many total count. Now it will display the output in how many fields. So this is the, so field number 1, and this is the field number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total it displays 9 fields. Total it will display, total it displays 9 fields. So each field information you should be remember. Each field information you should be remember. So each field information, so you should be remember. How do we remember that? So the first field, so it will starts with either d or hyphen, or so whenever you run ls command, so majority of the times you will see -d or -l -c or -b. So hyphen b. For example, if you go with dev, so ls hyphen l, so dev. So we are having sometimes here c, and okay, even sometimes it here also B. So sometimes we're also having okay L. Sometimes we're also having okay L. So what are the meaning of okay this guy? So if beginning of a line, so if a beginning of a line starts with hyphen D, so it's a directory. It's a directory. If the beginning of the line contains hyphen, it's a file. It's a okay file. If the beginning of the file contains hyphen L, it is a symbolic, okay, it is a soft link file. Either it's a soft link or okay, it's a soft link or okay, symbolic, okay, symbolic, okay, link file. Symbolic, okay, link file. And if it is a start with hyphen C, okay, character special file. Character, okay, special, okay, file. So hyphen B. So hyphen B, okay, boot file. Hyphen B means okay, boot file. We'll also having okay, hyphen capital S. So hyphen, there are different types of okay files, but majorly 99.9 percentage. So okay, we'll try to okay see the. So okay, we'll try to okay see okay these options. So hyphen L. So okay, hyphen L means okay, okay. I mean long list format. So so okay, long okay hyphen D it denotes as a directory. Hyphen D is denotes as a okay directory, and okay hyphen means it's a file, and okay even hyphen L means okay, okay hyphen L means okay soft link. Hyphen S means a character. Hyphen V means bootable. These are the different okay file types. Different okay different okay file types. Different okay file types. So any doubts on okay here?
No.
So, okay, I mean, the moment when you run this, okay, ls command, so ls hyphen l, the first one will be display as a, the first one will display as a hyphen means it is a regular file. So, if it starts with any character, if the line, if the beginning of the line starts with the D, it is a directory. So, if it is a L, okay, soft link file. If it is a L, so it is a soft link file. You can see that okay, L means, so okay, soft link file. And okay, if you see with okay, see, it is a character okay devices okay file. It is a character okay device okay file. So if you starts with okay B, it is a okay, it is a block device okay files. This there is a block device okay files. If you go with okay, if you go with okay P, it is a named pipe file. So if it is okay starts with yes, I told yes also, right? It is a socket file. It is a socket okay file. So okay, hyphen S means okay socket okay socket file. So hyphen P means okay named okay pipe file. These are different okay options, and okay different types of okay file types. Different types of okay file okay types. So D means you know that, hyphen means soft link. So this we will okay. I mean, if there are any files related to the bootable information, so those informations will be on these three. So named pipe file, socket file, boot, and character special okay files. So how do we denote that? A beginning of okay line. Beginning of line we can able to get it. Now the next three are permissions. The next three are the permissions. The total length of okay, this guy is RWX, RWX, RWX. Total it will be okay 9. Total it will be a okay 9. What do you mean that okay RWX, RX and RX? So as I told multiple times, as I told okay multiple times. So okay, as I told multiple times, Unix is a multi-user capability. Unix is a so okay multi-user okay, capability. Assume that you have installed Unix on one of the operating system. So there are so if this Unix operating system you build it for okay you build it for a college. So you build it for a college. So the college entire the okay college. So this okay Unix operating system is for okay okay first year okay students. Okay first year okay students. In a first year, assume that okay there are okay two okay there are okay there are okay 150 members okay there are 150 members okay strength. So in 150 members strength, so there will be a okay ECE group. So okay there will be a ECE, okay CSE, okay CSE, then okay IT, okay, then okay triple E. There will be okay different departments. So each department IT total okay 40. So total of 40 members. Then okay 30 members. Okay, then 30 members and okay 50 members. So now for this 150 members, we have created okay, this Linux system. So what we have done? So there will be, so we are trying to create. So okay, we are trying to create. So first what we'll do? Okay, we'll onboard okay everyone. So we'll onboard. So okay, we'll try to okay onboard okay everyone. So everyone into this okay system. So 150 users. So 150 users okay we create. And okay, we also create, okay, what is the first one we'll do? The first one is, so okay, we'll create okay 150 users because everyone is okay important for us. We create okay 150 accounts. Then second one is, so okay, we will create, so okay, we'll create okay 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 groups. We'll create the okay 4 groups. So first what we'll do is, first okay we'll create okay first we'll create okay first okay we'll create okay 4 groups. First we'll create the okay 4 groups, and okay second okay we'll create okay all users. Okay we'll I mean okay we will onboard. So okay we'll onboard okay we will okay onboard 150 okay members, 150 okay members. So while creating the user from IT department, now the from IT department, so I have a user called okay ram. So I have a user called okay ram. So the first account I'm going to create. So while creating this okay the user called okay ram, the user called okay ram, what I will do is I will try to okay I mean okay how do we create the users? In order to create the users, we are having a command called okay user add. So we already okay seen. So user add, so user group, this also will okay discuss. Okay, this has to be okay discussed now also. So we'll created okay 4 groups, and okay we'll first onboard the ram user. So ram is part of okay which ram is part of okay which department? IT department. Now we have created okay 4 groups, right? One is IT group, EC group, CSE group, and triple E group. So while creating this okay users now, so the while creating the user called okay ram, what I will do is I will okay specify, I mean by default I will assign the unique user ID. The group ID what I will show is I will try to assign the group ID which is related to IT. So I will try to assign the group ID so related to okay IT. The group ID related to okay IT. So group related to okay IT. Now after successful okay completion of this okay account, so now the user ram okay the okay whatever the files is going to create, whatever the files is going to create, he will be the owner of okay he will be the owner of okay all those files. What is the default working directory of this user? Forward slash okay home by, so okay forward slash okay home by okay ram, forward slash home by okay ram. So the moment when you log into the system, you will go under okay this folder, he will create it. Now assume that there are okay 39 members okay in that IT department, right? So now whatever the files are creating by this user, now we have allocated this group, right? So okay now okay, by default okay user is having all privileges. In future, what are the privileges? What are the privileges on a file? Opening a file, I mean reading a file, write a file, or execute a file, or delete a file. So the operations, what are the main operations on okay file we do? The main operations on file is okay read a file. Okay, I mean okay read the content of file. Read the content of okay file. And second one is okay switch the okay move to the directory. So move to the okay directory. So if you're not moving, if you don't have access to move the directory, we can't, right? Then okay then after that okay write the data. So write the okay data. Then we're also having, so what kind of operation? So okay modify the data. So modify the okay data. Okay, then modify means either insert. So either okay, what is the meaning of modify? So means okay insert and okay delete. Adding the new data and deleting the okay new data. After that, so okay, after that okay remove a file. After that remove a okay file. And other one is, so create a directory. So create a so directory. So in order to perform these operations, so the Unix has segregated that. So whenever you want to read a file, so they have segregated as okay R. R represents as a read. The weightage of R is okay 4. And okay, for example, if you want to okay switch from okay, you want to switch to directory, we should require okay R permissions. So if you want to write the data, so you must read the W permissions. So even okay write, and okay even okay write. So which means that the weightage of okay W is okay 2. So then after that create a directory, then okay even creating directory also you required okay W permissions. Then after that, so okay after that okay you want to execute the program. So okay execute the file or so program. So this we need a execute permissions X. So by default, what it does is while creating a file, the owner of the file. So okay, how the permissions are segregated. I mean, how the users are segregated as. So for okay, I mean the user RAM. So for the user RAM, so okay for the user RAM, so okay, whatever the files he creates, by default he is the owner of the file. By default, so he is the owner of the file. That's why he's okay showing as a owner. Then the remaining okay for example the it will become as a okay group of the file. It will become as a group of the file. Now the remaining okay the remaining, so how many members are there? 30, 30, 60, and okay 50. So okay, 110 members. The 110 members are others to this ram, others to okay ram. So others means not outside, others. So others to the okay ram. So now for this okay others, now it is a user wish, it's a user wish. What kind of privileges should I assign to this myself, should I assign to my group, should I assign to okay others, should I assign to others? So okay if that okay if you're having a read privileges, we can able to view the content, or we can also switch the directory. If you're having a write privileges, we can able to modify the, we can able to create a new file, modify the data, create a directory, such kind of operation. If you're having executive permission, if it is, if the file is a program, we can able to execute also. So we can able to control the permissions, we can able to control the so permissions. So for controlling the permissions, we are having a command called chmod. And okay that also okay, we'll discuss on okay after okay this. So these are the, so now okay I mean so here you need to understand that the permissions. So when it comes with permissions, so in Unix there are three types of users. One is owner of the file, or okay owner, group, and others. For RAM, who is the owner? RAM itself. For group, okay, who is the group of okay, RAM is a part of IT, right? So the IT, and okay others, the remaining 140 members, okay 110 members will become as a others. So now here this RWX means, as I told that the first three privileges represents the owner permissions. First three represents the owner permissions. So read, write, execute. All permissions are having by the user called okay root. And okay, this guy is not assigned to any group. So this guy is not assigned to any group. So in this case, so he is a part of okay even group also. The next three permissions are about the group. Or hyphen X means whichever okay I mean okay how it denotes is always RWX. Or after R, if you're having a hyphen, you don't have that permissions. So you don't have that. If you go with this guy, so RW. So okay, I mean on this secure file, even root also not having the execute permissions. The group is also not having any zero permissions. Others are not having any so permissions. So which means that only owner root is only having the read and write permissions. Read and okay write okay permissions. And okay similarly, if you go with okay last log, so the owner is having read and write, group and others are having the read permission. So hyphen means execute is also not having by this guy. And okay for the next three are for who okay which okay next three represents for whose permissions, okay group. So group, how many permissions are there? Okay R WX are okay empty, and others also are WX are also empty, which means that, so okay with the help of ls hyphen l, so after the file type, the next permissions, the next okay will displays about the permissions of a file. So permissions with respect to the owner, with respect to the group, with respect to the okay others, what are the permissions? So what is the static representation? RWX, RWX, RWX. If you are not having okay, if you are not having okay if you are okay I mean first three, in first three, so from left to right. So okay first three I mean from left to right, not from the right to left. So okay I mean this is from okay left to right, right? So it starts from left to right. The first okay from the left to right, the first three is for the owner, then a group, then others. Whichever is having a dash, which means that that permission you don't have it. That permissions you don't have it. So any doubts on okay here? So it's clear, right? So since Unix is a multi-user capability, the users are segregated as three types: owner, group, and others. Others means not the outside the world, inside the Unix operating system only. So the permissions are controlled by this RWX, and RWX. If you're having R permission, we can read the content. If it is, when it comes to directory, we can switch the directory. If it is okay W, we can make the modifications. It is a write permission. WX means execute permissions. Execute permissions are helpful for okay programs. So in Unix, a file can be becomes as a program. So which means that if the file is having okay executable commands, it will become as a okay program. It will become as a okay program. So any doubts on okay here?
నా రూట్ యూజర్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ
Hmm?
వీళ్ళ పర్మిషన్స్ అని రూట్ యూజర్స్ వీళ్ళ పర్మిషన్స్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు అన్న.
Yes, we can do that. That is the intent of okay. We do have a chmod command. Chmod and ch1s are the commands to work on okay permissions that we will discuss on okay after some time. Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న.
Yes, for your question, the answer is yes. So we can change okay permissions, and we can also change the okay the next field will be the okay the next field. So okay this is a file type, permissions, okay then okay owner of the file, group of the file, size, date, and okay date, time, and okay file name, date time and okay file names, date time and okay file name. So you can also go through that. So okay, if required, I mean we can discuss okay more also. The first one, okay, then what are the different file types we are having? Okay, the first okay file types are, so the next one will okay, talks about the this is the file type, permissions. Then okay, we're also having the number. What is this number denotes? This number denotes the number of hard links to the file. So if it is a directory, we don't have. If it is okay hard links, if we're having any okay hard links, so if this file is having any hard link, I mean we'll discuss about the linkings and all. So mainly okay for by default for directory it shows 2, and okay for file it shows as a 1. If the file it is having 2 3, we can mention that okay this is a hard link file, this is a hard link okay file. Then owner, group, okay then okay user or group, okay then okay size, what is the size of the file, and okay this one is okay this one will timestamp of okay last modification of date and time, and okay we're also having a text file. What do you mean by last modified? Okay, by default ls command shows the modified time, which means that when the file is okay modified. So whenever you create a file, so let's come to that okay windows. So let's open that okay windows. So if you take this file properties, if you click on this okay properties, so okay, we'll be having the, so okay, we'll be having that okay here size, okay location, so address, so then security, and okay even, so let's take it as okay any file okay then okay permissions, properties. So if you take this okay directory, so even in Unix also we're having three types of permission, three types of timestamp: created timestamp, modified timestamp, and access timestamp. By default ls command will show as a modified timestamp. What is the meaning of created timestamp? At what time the file is created, at what time the so file is created. And what is the meaning of okay modified? Let's take a small file, so that will be okay helpful. Hmm. So let's take okay this guy. So okay, let's close. Okay, I mean now I'm going to so close this file. So when I click on this okay LD, then okay properties, okay properties shows that when the file is created, this file is created on November 16, 2024. So that will show you the created time and what time the file is created. Modified means, and okay, I mean what and what time the file is modified, that information. Access means when this guy is accessed. It is accessed 1 minute ago, right? That's why it's showing it as okay access time. Now let me do some operations on this file. So I'm trying to I'm trying to add some rama, then save and close. Now, so okay, now I think this will be on top. Now properties. Now click on the properties. It shows that created is November 16th. We are not this okay. This timestamp is not changing, but modified. When it is modified, few minutes back it is modified. Then when it is accessed, the same time. I mean, whenever you make a modification, whenever you save that, so it will be having the access time. So the access time will varies if you open a file and if you don't make any modifications and save it. So in that case, the modified time will never change. Access time will only change it. So clear, simply created time denotes at what time the file is created. Modified time denotes and when the file is okay modified. Modified means operations performed on that file. Access means simply when it is okay access. So by default in Unix also okay shows the modified time. When the this file is modified, that information will show us modified date, modified okay month. So okay day, time and okay file name is clearly okay shows finally the file name. If you observe this one, by default ls command displays the output in long list format. So the output of this guy is ls command. The ls-l command displays the output in long list formats. So long list format. So okay, then what is another one? One is long list format. What is the second one? Output is on ascending order. So based on the file okay based on the okay file or okay directory okay names by the directory or okay names, which means that ascending order, which means that so the file which is created a means alphabetical a first ascending order a, then b c d okay then l. So you can see that is the ascending order. Whereas if you go with okay r, if you go with R, it will display the output in reverse order, which means the descending order. Now, if you see this one, this is a descending order. So hyphen R means, so okay, hyphen R means, so okay, hyphen R means okay, reverse order. Okay, reverse order based on the okay names, based on the okay names. Now we're also having a one more option called hyphen T. So for example, okay, let's go on okay here, okay, ls hyphen l, I mean ls hyphen so l, so ls hyphen l, output is in which format? So okay, output is on, so based on the file names it's creating, right? Now if you go with okay t, so it will shows that, so the output will be okay changed. The messages file is recently changed, right? What is the time now? 9:40, okay, 9 okay 44. During that time okay this file is okay modified. That's why so it's showing it on okay it's showing it as an okay, reverse order based on the timestamp. So okay, this is also the ascending order. So this is also okay, lt means long list format only, ascending order based on the timestamp. So this file is created recently, right? That's why it is showing it as a top. So similarly the timestamp 9:30, so 2024. Whereas okay, if you go with R, so you see the beautiful R means reverse order, right? So now the message will come on down. The message will come on okay down, which means that so hyphen T, hyphen T. So okay, hyphen T means okay sort. So based on okay timestamp, based on okay timestamp. Okay, default is okay as okay default okay shows okay default. What is the default? Recently modified okay modified okay file shows in okay top. Where okay if you use okay R option, if you use R option okay recently created file shows okay down. That's why we always use the combination called ls hyphen lrt. L means long list format, R means reverse order based on the timestamp. So one of the very important okay terminology, I mean as part of if you going with interview or if you're going appearing any online test and all, you will see that what is the meaning of hyphen LRT. Represents the long list format. R means okay reverse order based on okay timestamp. Based on timestamp, we can it okay it displays as a okay output. So any doubts on okay here? So any doubts? What is the okay? So by default, so okay, it shows okay output. Okay, by default, okay, it shows okay output on. So the time, what is the by default time? Okay, okay, by default, what is the default time? ls command shows modified time. So modified time. Now, if you go with okay one more option called okay h means, so if you see the output, so the okay h means the size is in okay the output of size is shown on humorable okay format. Hyphen h means, so okay hyphen h means it shows the output in, hyphen h means okay shows okay output in, shows the okay shows okay size of okay file, okay file or directory in human readable okay format. So then we're also having the one more option called okay yes. So okay yes, yes means okay yes means the okay the size shows on okay begin, okay it produces the one more out okay one more line output, but the size will come on okay first. Whereas okay, if you go with capital S, so capital S means okay, I mean capital S means, so I mean if you go with okay ls hyphen lrt okay lrt yes, it will shows okay it will sort the output based on a, so I mean S means okay hyphen S means, so here hyphen capital S means sort the file, okay, sort the files based on okay size, based on okay size. If you're having reverse order, it will be in okay. I mean the topmost utilized file is in down. You see this one, 0 to okay here. So if you don't use this R option, the S will be in a, the message will be in okay top. So now we're also having a one more output, one more option called hyphen capital R. Capital R means okay recursive. Capital R means, so okay recursive. Capital R means okay recursive. What is the meaning of okay capital R? So capital R means one of the very very important. So recursive. So okay, recursive. What is the meaning of okay recursive? So from current directory, okay, wherever the current directory we have located, if you want to display the output of entire okay from that folder to remaining, which means that, so okay the moment when I run this okay ls hyphen l capital R T, so ls hyphen l capital R T, so you are able to see that current directory, okay these are all the okay files, these are all the files. Under that we have a tuned directory. Under the tuned directory these are the files. We are having a audit. Under the audit we are having these files. Anaconda we are having these files. It clearly shows that. So which means that hyphen R means recursive order. Recursively from the current directory, okay, subdirectory, it shows all the files or directories recursively from current okay directory. That is the intent of hyphen capital R. So ls hyphen hyphen help, it will show you the lots of okay options. Hyphen a means, so by default okay hyphen a, it shows that okay hyphen all, so la, so all the details hidden files also it will show. Hyphen a means to display the hidden files, one of the very very important. Hyphen a, hyphen a means all, including hidden files. What is the meaning of okay, hidden files? By default it won't show, by default it won't show. If any file or directory name starts with a dot, that we can call it as a hidden files. That okay we'll discuss more, okay, that we'll discuss more about while creating the okay files. So now hyphen l, hyphen a means the same, then hyphen b means the same, hyphen c means sort with sort by, so the same, hyphen list entries by columns. Hyphen D means only list directories themselves, not their okay content. So if you want to okay control until the directory level, hyphen D. So for example, if you go with okay ls hyphen ld, it shows only the current directory okay information. It will shows only the current directory okay information. Only D means only the directories. Directories information only it clearly okay shows. ls hyphen hyphen help hyphen D. Okay, then okay, we're also having that okay hyphen f classify file type. Hyphen g means if you go with okay hyphen capital F, it shows that okay I mean ls hyphen l. So every option go with hyphen f means okay full list and all it shows. Hyphen h means humorable. This we discuss. Hyphen I means if you want to get the inode information of a file, we can get by using hyphen I. I will show you what is a, we already discussed about inode number, right? Inode number is a address of the file. So those inode numbers we can able to get by using hyphen I option. Then okay, hyphen K size. Then okay, hyphen M is not needed. Okay, L. So P is not that much. So R we have discussed. Yes, we have discussed. So okay, hyphen T means tab size. Okay, hyphen U. Okay, these are all okay, fine. So okay, these are the so major options. Okay, we are having it on. So okay, we are having it on. Okay, we are having it on. So ls commands. Ls is one of the very important okay facility. So where okay we'll try to so use okay. I mean there is also one more file which is called hyphen z. What is the hyphen z displays? Displays the security context. So it fits the most display. I mean if you want to display the security context information of a file, we can able to use okay by using okay hyphen z. Hyphen z ఏం చేస్తుందంటే it also shows that okay what are the kind of okay security objects information we are having, that it will show by the hyphen z option. So okay we always use, I mean we sometimes if you want to display the security context informations, we'll use okay hyphen okay z. So hyphen z is also one of the important okay field we are having it on. So ls okay command, ls okay command.